Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly and effectively. In the first step, go to search bar and type your task manager. Then click here to open it from the search results. Now click on run new task, and once we are here, click on browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out System32 folder. Just scroll down and double click on it to open it. In the System32 folder, we need to find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box. This is very important. Now click on OK. So once we are here, we need to execute some commands. Simply type your gp update and hit enter. So this will take few seconds to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done, we will move to the next command. That will be sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This process will take a lot of time, around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. So we need to complete the process in the background. Till then we will move to the next method. Simply open File Explorer. Now just select this PC, right click on C drive and open its properties. Now go to the Tools tab, and from error checking we need to click on check. This option will check the drive for the file's system errors. Okay, now click on scan drive. This will also take around 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process. Again, we need to wait for a few seconds. Now it successfully scanned the drive and no error were found, so we need to close it and then complete this up to the 100%. Till then, just right click on the start icon, set run. Now type here services.msc and hit enter. So this will open services window. Now we need to find out the Windows search. Just scroll down, right click on the Windows search, open its properties, go to the general tab, and we need to set startup type as disabled. Once done, we need to click on apply and then OK. Again, do the same process for Windows update. We need to set startup type as disabled, click on stop and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close this window, and once done we need to type exit and hit enter. Okay, now simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.